Hello, my dear friends, welcome to the YouTube channel. Today we are going to deal with the topic food adulteration. Food adulteration is an unhealthy and illegal practice of adding the low grade ingredients in the original food or deleting the vital component. It is usually done intentionally to increase the profits. It makes the food unsafe to eat, degrades the food quality, and is injurious to health. Under Food Safety Standards Act 2006, adulterated food is now termed as a substandard food, unsafe food, or foods containing extraneous matter. The helpline where an individual can lodge complaint is http nationalconsumerhelpline.in #foodsafety.aspx. The following criteria designate any food as adulterated or unsafe, and the person responsible for any of these is punishable under law. The article itself or its package thereof is composed, whether wholly or in part, of poisonous or deleterious substances. The article consists of wholly or in part any filthy, putrid, rotten, decomposed, or diseased animal substance or vegetable substance. The article contains of unhygienic processing or the presence of any harmful substance in that article. It contains substitution of any inferior or cheaper substance, whether wholly or in part. It contains addition of a substance directly or as an ingredient which is not permitted. There is abstraction, wholly or in part, of any of its constituents. The article is colored, flavored, or coated, powdered, or polished so as to damage or conceal the article or to make it appear better or of greater value than it really is. There is presence of any coloring matter or preservatives other than the specified in respect thereof or in quantity more than prescribed. The article has been infected or infested with worms, weevils, or insects. This article is prepared, packed, or kept under insanitary conditions. The article is misbranded or substandard or food containing extraneous matter. The article contains pesticides and other contaminants in excess of quantities specified by regulations. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.